Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is me Miss Jahanara and I hope that you all are fine. I will take your English subject and as we have started the novel Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, which is written by Roald Dahl. So in today's video we will just discuss the background of the novel, the background of the author as well. Okay, so let's start. Before starting a novel, have a look on the life of Roald Dahl, the author, the writer of the novel Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. He was very famous writer of that time, so have a look on the biography. He was born in September, died in November, and the occupation is he was basically a novelist and poet as well as a screenwriter. So there are a lot of novels we will discuss in this video, the novels by Roald Dahl. Now you can see he was a British novelist, short story writer, poet as we have discussed, and you can add these points in your homework. Like here you can see there are some major works, major novels written by Roald Dahl, like Matilda, like The Witches. They are very famous novels written by Roald Dahl. And whatever we are having right now, this is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory from the collection of Roald Dahl, from the collection of children books written by Roald Dahl. So dear students, this is your book, this is your novel, and it consists of 30 chapters. There are 30 chapters in this book. Okay, so let's start from the very first chapter, which is Here Comes Charlie. As we have discussed about 6 grown up in the family of Charlie. Actually, these old people are the parents of Mr. Bucket and Mrs. Bucket. Okay, and here you can see they are Mr. and Mrs. Bucket. Here, the protagonist, Charlie. Protagonist means the person who is having positive attitude, the hero of the novel. So here it is Charlie who is standing with the grown-ups, with the grandparents. Here it's Grandpa Joe and Grandma Josephine, the parents of Mr. Bucket. And in the next picture you can see they all are sitting all together, and they are used to sitting like this because they don't have much space, much area in their home. They are very poor. The whole of this family, the 6 grown up and little Charlie Bucket, lived together in a small wooden house. The house was not nearly large enough. They all are used to sit together like this because there were only 2 rooms and 1 bed, and they are very poor. The family of Charlie is very poor. They are facing poverty. They are facing scarcity. They don't have things to eat. They don't have good clothes. So these are the circumstances which were going on in the family of Charlie. Mr. Bucket was only the person in the family with the job. So I hope everything is clear to you, and thanks for watching.